Hello everyone. In this video, we'll create an AI agent that automatically sends cold emails to users. We'll get data from a Google Sheet and use the Gmail MCP to send emails. First, open your dashboard and click on the Create Agent button. Enter a name for your agent and click Create. Once the agent is created, we'll define how it should behave. For example, create a cold email automation agent. Your job is to automatically send cold emails using contact data from a Google Sheet. I've also added an agent flow with a few additional instructions. Now, send the prompt. The agent is updating. Next, we'll add the Google Sheet MCP, enter a server label, upload your credentials file, and paste the Google Sheet URL. To get the URL, open your sheet in Google Sheets. Here, we have two pending emails. Copy the sheet link and the sheet name, then paste both in the setup fields, click connect. Now, let's integrate the Gmail MCP. Search for Gmail, open it, and authenticate with your Google account. Once both MCPs are connected, we're ready to move forward. Click the Deploy Agent button. Our agent is now deployed and ready for testing. Click Start Conversation to begin testing. The agent first asks for confirmation before sending emails. Now the agent is reading data from the Google Sheet and automatically sending cold emails through Gmail. The emails have been sent to all pending users. Let's verify it. And yes, we received the email successfully. Everything is working perfectly. Our AI agent is now fully automating cold emailing using Google Sheets and Gmail MCP. See you in the next one. That's it. Thanks for watching.